After signing up for Bank of America, completing the setup process is essential to access your account and utilize its features. Follow these steps to ensure your account is fully set up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your newly created account. Step 2. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Set up security features. Navigate to the security settings within your account. Here, you can set up additional security measures such as two-factor authentication, security questions, and alerts for account activity to enhance your account's security. Step 4. Link external accounts. If you wish to transfer money or manage finances more easily, consider linking external bank accounts. Go to the transfer section and follow the prompts to add your other bank accounts securely. Step 5. Explore account features. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the various features available in your account, such as bill pay, mobile check deposit, and budgeting tools. This will help you make the most of your Bank of America account. Completing these steps will ensure that your Bank of America account is fully set up and ready for use. Enjoy managing your finances with ease.